4 signs someone doesn't value you. If any of these behaviors sound all too familiar, it might be a sign to reconsider who you allow in your inner circle. Remember, you deserve people who genuinely care about you, not just when it suits their convenience. Number 1. Ghosting in communication. Have you ever felt like you're speaking into a void? When someone consistently ignores your messages, avoids your calls, or shows little interest in your life, it's a clear indication that they aren't invested in your relationship. Their lack of effort to stay connected speaks volumes. Number 2. Center of attention. Do you notice that they dominate every conversation? If every interaction revolves around them, and they rarely take the time to inquire about your life or feelings, it's a sign of their self-absorption. They prioritize their own needs and disregard yours. Number 3. Absent in times of need. When you face difficult times, do they disappear? If they're nowhere to be found when you need support or empathy, it shows their lack of genuine care and connection. Being left alone during tough moments reveals a lot about their true intentions. Number 4. Disrespect and betrayal. Have they ever betrayed your trust, overstepped your personal boundaries, or disregarded your values? If they gossip about you or fail to respect your limits, it's more than just inconsiderate, it's outright disrespectful. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.